Okay, come students, we go to the last part of income tax. Where there's a husband, there's a wife. What happens when we do tax calculation, join them, or when we do separate assessment? So we start out with the joint assessment. Example, Mr. Shahrukh and his wife. Salaries for each of them. And their tax relief is given here very clearly. Okay, the limited ini bermaksud apa? That's the maximum you can claim. If the value goes above, you cannot take the maximum. You have to go to the maximum. You cannot go to the actual value. Contohnya, if you take this total this, it is going to be more than 3,000. It is going to be more than 3,000. So you cannot claim more than that. You are only allowed to the maximum of 3,000. Same thing goes when you total these two up. It is going to be something like 11,830, which is more than. So you are allowed only 7,000. Same thing when you total this up. This is going to be 5,200. It is more than the limited. So you are allowed only 2,500 in the sense of joint assessment. Okay, let me start. Okay, we go joint assessment. I start off with the first one. I need to find the chargeable income. So to get the chargeable income, under the keyword called joint assessment, I total up both their salaries. Number one. After I total up, I go for the relief. The only keynote here is under the joint assessment, relief is only given for one person. Not for both. Not 9,000, 9,000 for both. Only for one person. So it's 9,000. Life insurance all goes to the limited. Why? Because when you total up all of this, I just explained just now, it is going to be more than the limited. So it's more than the limited. So the limited is taken into the account for tax relief. So that's what you see here, my dear students. Total them up, you get the total tax relief. So chargeable income will be total income, tax relief, donation is definitely a tax relief. So this is the chargeable income for joint assessment. So when I go for the chargeable income, automatically I go to the table to find out the tax. So if I check out the table, 87,000 is 750 is in here, in the range of 70,000 and 100,000. So for the first is 4,600. For the next one is going to be 21%. The balance, the balance is going to be 21%.
87,500, I think.
Oh. Okay.
Alright.
Mulai dari 87. Okay. So when I'm starting off, this is the chargeable income, 87,500 is in the range of the chargeable income. So 4,600 for the first. For the next, balance will be 21%. So I did the calculation. 87,500 for the first, 4,600 for the balance. That means you minus off, you times with 21%. So total them up, you get the total tax to be paid under the joint assessment. Okay? Hope you understand.